this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect and pair your earbuds or your headset to your Honor phone. Swipe down from the top right, go to Settings. And under Settings, what we want to do is go to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on, go to your earbuds. You have to figure out how to put this into the Bluetooth pairing mode. Most of the time with these earbuds, you just lift up the case and remove them. And if they're not previously connected to a different device, they will show up under this list and they're going to be in the Bluetooth pairing mode. So you got to figure out how to put your headset into the Bluetooth pairing mode. There might be a Bluetooth button you have to press, or most of the time you just take them out like this, and then we can turn off and on Bluetooth and it should show up now. For some reason it's not scanning for everything. So here's my Soundcore P30i headset. Just tap it. Tap here, go to pair, and now it's connected to my Honor phone. And I can tap here and go to on pair, and I can bring this device to a new phone or computer or something like that in the future without it connecting to that old device. So if you are having syncing issues or whatever, make sure you on pair it from your old device, and it should be placed in the Bluetooth pairing mode now. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.